we want our content to look spread out. We want it to give like, we've been filming every day because we're consistent, but we didn't, okay?
For other girls on a mission like me, mission like me, mission like me. Get that money, mission like me, mission like me. For other girls on a mission like me, mission like me, mission like me. Get that money.
So y'all see the angle that I have the thing at, and I have it at 0.5 because it makes me, I don't know, what's it called? Look, I don't know about all them dimensions and stuff like that, y'all. I don't know what none of that stuff means. I just know how to do what I do, okay? So you want to film me, and again, the bloopers and all that, that's fine. So you want to help me open the blind? I can do it with sister.
I play. I want to play.
And my phone just died. Damn it.
Mommy, I want to play.
Well, we're going to have to film it on this one.
This one? Mommy, I want to play.
You want to pray?
I want to play.
You want to talk to Jesus?
Stop.
Yeah, we love Jesus, don't we?
Spooky
cheekies. Okay, you want to open blinds? Pull this. Do this one. Come on, Grandma. Come on, Grandma.
Yeah. I'll try it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that's a video. It's not that hard, guys. That's all we do. Bookie, you did it, Bookie Chickies. 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 For obvious reasons, I'm probably only gonna film one more video with my robe on just because we want our content to look spread out. We want it to give like, we've been filming every day because we're consistent, but we didn't, okay? So I am going to probably do walking in my office. Same shit, y'all, same shit. Y'all get it, right? Y'all follow me. So another thing that I want to give y'all, and another tip, I guess you can say, is don't be afraid to play with your angles. I kind of mentioned this before, like different angles. Get creative with it because that's what's gonna like make your content stand out, and it's like attraction marketing, if that makes sense. Again, they go over all this shit in DWA. So I'm telling you, if you want the sauce, maybe click the link in my bio right now, or click the link in the description of the video and get DWA right now. I'm sorry. My titties been out the whole video. I do it. I do like my Bible study and stuff like that. So I'm going to like just get a different angle of me, as y'all can see. So what I did was I lifted my what's this called, tripod up, this ghetto tripod, which I need to stop playing and get a new one. But I'm just gonna lift it up. I'm gonna lean it down. I'm gonna do like a time lapse, y'all. Just me. Child, these little pillows, they little ghetto. But we gonna just do like a little time lapse. You know, like of different ways. Cause baby, when I be in here, I be, where was I at though? I was reading Psalms. It don't matter. You can just open up. It don't matter. You ain't gotta be where you left off at. But like, for example, I could be like this. Again, we don't want our titties out, and we talking about Jesus at the same time. Watch out, sis. I ain't got my highlighters. I would commit to the whole thing and get my highlighters and all that, but again, y'all, 3 to 8 seconds. That's all you need. Don't be looking at all this zombie junk, okay? So let's edit this video. As always, you know, we're gonna go into CapCut, hit new project, and click on our clip that we want to edit. And the reason why I wanted to show y'all this again is because this actual footage that I'm filming, y'all, I didn't like it. And I don't believe in wasting content because maybe everything is mother content, right? But actually, I just didn't like that my pants were showing, and then my daughter hit the tripod. I didn't realize, so it knocked the angle out. But we don't waste content over here, so I'm gonna show y'all what I do. So right now, what I'm doing is just going through and splitting up the clips. I kind of explained this in the other video. I like to like have like fast transitions in mind. So really, all I do is just skip through and just find decent looking clips. Because remember, the video only has to be 3 to 8 seconds, y'all. So I'm going through cutting, and I'm gonna show y'all how I actually copy some clips and like mirror them and change them around. Because again, we gonna make this work, okay, sis? So I'm just going through, playing through again, just kind of seeing like, do I like any of this? And child, I don't. I didn't like the fact that my legs was showing. So, because I wanted to give like time lapse vibes. You know what I mean? Like, you know how when you read the Bible, well, this is how I be in there for a minute. So, you know, 1 minute I'm sitting this way, next minute I'm sitting this way. So I'm spending time with Jesus, okay? And we get personal. So again, just going through, y'all see, I'm basically using the same exact clips, but that's okay, right? Because again, everything is content and it does not matter. At the end of the day, as long as whatever that text that we gonna put on the screen is educational, motivating, and inspiring, that's all that people care about. People literally do not essentially care about the video. As long as it's good lighting, it look good, that's all that matters. Okay, so don't overthink it, don't overdo it. Again. And then here I'm just going through and making sure like my transitions or like my clips kind of like jump each one. So I'm trying to see if I can find anything else, which I really can't. We want to get rid of the little ugly little cap cut at the end. And boom, for the most part, we got what we working with. So I didn't have a song in mind. So sometimes I go into Instagram and I honestly just type how I feel and see what pops up and then like click on audio. So that's what I was doing here. I typed in God is so good, which he is. Oh God. And I just kind of am going through and just seeing like, y'all can't hear it in the video, but I'm just going through and like, okay, playing this song. I'm like, wasn't feeling that. Then I went to the next song and I was like, not really feeling that. I wanted something upbeat. Because again, y'all, like, although like stuff like this doesn't matter, it matters to me. Like, I want people to feel good when they watch my content. I want them to feel inspired. So we opted for Gorilla. Okay, girl. So I grabbed that screen recorder. You already know the process, right? And y'all already know we go back into CapCut. And I know a lot of y'all was like, girl, you know, you could edit a different way. Y'all, this is just the way I do it. I like to do it this way. I've kind of done it this way at this point for so long. So to each his own, there are definitely different ways to do it. But to me, I'm just like, hey, this is the easiest for me. So I just click on that screen recording that I have, and then I go over down at the bottom and hit extract audio, and then I get rid of that video clip, and boom, now my audio is underneath my clip. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is just kind of go through and play with these clips because, again, I think the music should kind of choreograph with what's going on in the video. So what I do is I kind of just like moving around. Honestly, y'all, there really is no process to it. I just do it because, again, I like that jumpy kind of feeling. And then lastly, I'm just speeding up some of these clips because I felt like it wasn't like, again, like dancing with the music, if that makes sense. But pretty much this is my editing process, y'all, for the most part. It's a 3 to 8 second video. It's not that deep. You know, it's just long as it looks good. You know it look good, girl. Like, just, you know, don't be putting no trash content. Y'all know what trash is. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is, because I didn't use a lot of this video, right? And I'm kind of using the same clips over and over, I need to like kind of switch it up so those transitions or like the video kind of jumps. So what I like to do is I'll click on a little part of a clip that I separated and I'll go into mirror. And that way it kind of, again, gives that movement in the video, if that makes sense, right? So I'm just going through clicking on a few other random clips. And honestly, y'all, you just play around with this. Like I said, this is for stuff like you ever film something and, you know, it didn't work out how you wanted to and you only got like a good 2-3 seconds. Boom, this is what you do. Cut it down, clip it up, move it around. And it just gives that a, like, I don't want to say aesthetic because, girl, my content ain't really aesthetic. But it do give, like, okay, it's entertaining. And then the last and final thing is honestly just going through and adding your text. I personally like to use the same text over and over. Y'all, this is me watching the video again for the 150 times. That's just what you do when you edit it. So I just cut the rest of the audio off and then, again, go down to the text at the bottom of the screen. I pretty much use the same font. I pick my colors. Y'all, boom, bam. That's really all I do. I mean, you know, obviously I try to make my caption have something, or my hook on my video to have something to do with my what I'm talking about. But that's the tea, sis. That's it. There's nothing more. All you gotta do is just stop overthinking and just get going. Stop playing, okay? Everything content.
Like I'm God's favorite, and they still been spilling ever. Rain down on me, Father God. I won't use an umbrella.
So I'm getting ready to go on a jog, but as somebody like, I don't know, I'm trying to give y'all aesthetic because again, I'm not aesthetically pleasing like that. I feel myself walking. That's something for my people that want to do this faceless and you don't have to show your face. You can do that too. So what I'm gonna do, honestly, I might just film me walking on my damn walkway. We just need 3 to 8 seconds, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all the camera and we're gonna just record my feet. And acting like you're going on a walk. But we're gonna go record. Content. Motherfucking content. It ain't that deep. Okay? It's good enough, y'all. And best believe I'm gonna use it, okay?
Man, it's so hard not to act reckless.
I was saying, Sissy want me to blow up her jumpy. I can blow it up, feel myself blowing up y'all again. At this point, just watch the video. I'm trying to get the clutter out the way, but I'm gonna film me blowing up our baby thing. Content, y'all. Everything is content. I got my camera right here, y'all. And I'm just gonna film. I'll put the screen recorder on the video probably.
Baby, take a ride. I just wanna find you. Baby, you and I can have a good time. Tell me what you like.
Now look, y'all, mind y'all business. When I post that reel, y'all better still go like it. But honestly, for real, y'all, that's all I do, and that's what allowed me to have a $2,500 day. I just checked and I already made $400 today. Y'all could be making money online. For real, stop playing. Like, there is no excuse to go into 2025 waiting on a tax check. Okay, get to this money, stop playing it. If you need help, you don't know where to start, I got you. And right now, if you purchase DWA or DBA, you will gain free access into my Mom's Method mentorship. It's gonna be, baby, I'm holding your hand, baby. I'm walking everything with you. You know what I'm saying? So